I'm here today at 1517 Gardenia, right in Garden Oaks in the heart of Houston. Come check out this gorgeous Jamestown new construction home. So right when you walk in, you have extra high ceilings, an office to the right on the front of the home with some gorgeous built-ins. Coming down here, you'll have one bedroom with an ensuite bath, perfect for guests. Then this is one of my favorites. You have an in-house wine chiller. Right here, again, gorgeous built-ins. Then it opens up to your main living space, kitchen, living room, dining room. Everyone can pile in, hang out. So one thing that I love about Jamestown Homes is that they do not skip over detail. So this is a Taj Mahal quartz countertop. So absolutely massive. You also have storage underneath, which I think is like such a good idea. So if you move these chairs, you literally have more storage. Come check out this laundry room. If I had this laundry room, I wouldn't mind doing laundry, but I don't. But again, how stunning. Again, detail, tile floor, extra cabinet space, a sink, chef's kiss. So I'm a sucker for an open concept, having all the family and friends together, and this living room has it all. You have the gas fireplace, built-ins that are absolutely gorgeous, and you have an indoor, outdoor. So in Texas, when it's a little cooler outside, you can have your friends over, you can have a wine night, cookout, book club, all the things. Again, open concept, my favorite thing. You have the dining room right off of the kitchen with this gorgeous light fixture, lots of natural light, and you're right off of your primary suite. Primary suite, one of my favorites. Again, lots of natural light. You have this gorgeous accent wall, and of course the staging is just perfection. And girls, I know how you feel about the bathrooms. This one is stunning. You have the extra large tub, walk-in shower. Again, with the details, the hardware, the countertops, the backsplash, amazing. And again, one of my favorites, built-ins in a closet, must have. This closet is literally perfection. Okay, so again, I've seen a lot of houses, and this by far is one of my favorite second floors. Right when you walk in, you have these gorgeous farm-like doors, and you can really make this room whatever you want. A game room, a movie room, a playroom. The world is your oyster. What I also really like up here is that you almost have another primary suite, which is very family friendly if you have older parents that you want to come live with you. This room is massive. You have a built-in desk, which I think is so cool, or you have a teenager that doesn't really want to be around you, but they need their own desk, and you have your ensuite bathroom and closet, which again, perfect. So also up here, you have 3 more secondary bedrooms, all are really good size, which sometimes with new construction, they kind of cut down on square footage in the bedrooms, but again, with Jamestown, they do not cut corners. Plus, you have to check out this gorgeous bathroom over here. Again, no details go unnoticed. If you love this home as much as I do, be sure to contact me or the Sansone Group and we can show you a private tour. Also, be sure to follow all of our social media and our YouTube channel to keep up to date on these gorgeous homes in the Houston area. See you next time.